this video I'm going to teach you how does a Dijkstra algorithm work. As you know, in the artificial intelligence domain we have many problems which are based on graph and tree structure and mainly used as pathfinding and graph traversing, and finally generalized to so many other problems. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how Dijkstra algorithm works. This algorithm used in graph traverse and pathfinding problems. In fact, we are trying to find the minimum value path between single source and all other nodes. The time complexity is from the order of n power 2 and does not work for the graph with negative cyclic edges. Here you see we have the sample graph here. We want to start, for example, from the A node and reach to all the other nodes using the minimum valued path. So let's see how does this algorithm work. Okay, let me choose my pen. Okay, in the first level for example, I said that we are going to start from the A node here. So when I open the A node, the adjacent nodes would be, let me write the visited nodes. We have visited node here. We visited A in the first level and C. We have B here and H here. Okay, the value between A and B is 4 and between A and H is 8. So which one is the lowest one? Lower one, in fact, the B path. So I choose the B here. If I want to show it, I choose this path in the first level. So we go to the next level. Okay, I had chosen the A, then B. I write it here. My visited nodes are A and then B. Okay, I open A, then I open B. We have here H. The value was 4. The value was 8. Okay, I choose it, and so I doubled the line because I choose this path. Okay, let's see. When we open the B, we have a path to H from here and we have a path to C from here. So I write it down here. We have a path to C here. So the value between B and C is 8. 8 plus 4 would be 12. So I write it down 12 here, and the path and the cost between the B and H is 11. So 11 plus 4 would be 15 for this path. We have 15. So which one is the lowest between 8, 15, 12? So I choose the 8, which I choose H here, and I sign it with red color here in the second path or second level. So our graph would be something like this. We visited A, sorry, let me correct it. Okay, we visited A, the first, then B, and then H. Okay, I have A here, I opened B, I doubled it because I visit this path, value of 4, then I opened with value of 12 the C, it doesn't open, just check it, and then I choose the H. Okay, it was 8. So when I open the H node, let's see what would happen. H is here adjacent with G, I, and B. We could not choose the B. Why? Because it makes a cycle, which we must forbid this. Okay, so this path is forbidden or pruned. I have I here with value of 7. 7 plus 8 would be 15 here. So I write 15 here. And for the G, we have 1. 1 plus 8 would be 9. Okay, so let's see what the choices we have. We have 9, 15, 12. And the 9, in fact, G is our next choice. Okay, we open this path, then this path, and now we have this path here. Okay, sorry, I draw it with red to display that we choose in the third level this path. Okay, so our graph would be like this. We have A, which open B. I doubled it to show that we open this. Also, I have it in the visited list. I have H here. I have G with value 9, 8, 4 here. Okay, so I visited. I write it here. I visited A, B, H, G. Okay, so let's see. We have here the C with value of 12. We have H here with value of 15 to I. And when we open the G, let's see what we have. We have the 6 value to I here. 6 plus 9 would be 15. So we have a 15 here from G to I. And also we have the adjacent of G is F. We have the F with value of 2 here. 2 plus 9 would be 11. So let's see what we have. We have 11, 15, 15, 12. So I choose the F with value of 11. Let me sign it with red. I choose this in this path, and we will open these paths before. We have these paths before. Okay, so in the fifth level we have open A, then we open B with value 4, we have C with value 12, we have here H with value of 8, we have G with value of 9, we have opened the F with value of 11. So I visited, let me revisit it. Notes we have A, B, H, G, and F. Here we open this. Okay, we have I from here 15 from both sides. From H and G we have 15, and when you open the F, we have a 4 value here to C. So 4 plus 11 would be 15. You see we have here. Also we have open the D value here with value of 14. 14 plus 11 would be 25. We have 25 from F to D, and then we have the E 10 with value of 10. 10 plus 11 would be 21. So let's see what is the next choice between 15, 15, 15, 25, 21, and 12. So let me draw it on the graph. We open this, we open this, we open this, and then this. So the best one is, or the lowest one is the 12. So I choose the C node with value of 12 here. So in the fifth level we open the B and C edge. The edge between B and C, in fact. So let me see what would happen in the sixth level. Okay, I have A here. We visited B. I doubled it. We visited H. Value 4. Value 8. I doubled it. We have G with value 9. Let me write visited the value concurrently. I have opened A, B, H, G. Then I opened the F. I opened the F. So we have then opened the C. Yeah. Okay. We have opened this. Here we have I with value of 15 between I and H, and also 15 between G and I. Also when we open the C C, you see we have a 2 value between C and I, so the value here was 12. 12 plus 2 would be 14. So we have a 14, sorry. Something got wrong with my system. So let's open this again. Let's see, does it bring us the solution or not? Yeah, bring it out. Okay. So we were here. Okay, I started. The value was 12 here. I choose more thicker pen. Okay. We have 12 here, so the 12 plus 2 would be 14 from C to I. Okay. And from here side we have 7. 7 plus 12 would be 19 to D from C, and from the F, as you can see here the value was 11. 11 plus 4 was 15 from F to C, and also from here C to F 4 plus 12 would be 16 from here, and we have it from here. Okay, so and we have 25 from F to D, and we have 21 from F to E. Okay, now let's see what we have. We have to choose between 15, 15, 15. So I consider the 15 because it is more expensive. I do not look at this. We have 21, 25, 21, and 14. So the next choice would be 14. That gets to the I. Okay. So let me draw it on the graph. I have opened this one here, and let me check it. Yes, we opened this. Okay, the next choice would be this path, in fact. So our graph would be something like this. Yeah, let me draw it. So we have A here, we visited the A. Okay, we open B with value 4, then we open H with value 8, then we open G with value 9, then F with value 11, after that we open C with value 12, okay, and then we open the I with value of the value with I was 14. Okay, then we visit this. Okay, when we open the I, these passes would not be considered because it makes a cycle in the graph, so we must ignore it. Okay, now let's see, we have here 7 value between C and D. 7 plus 12 would be 19. Okay, also we have the value of between F and C, it was 4. 4 plus 11 would be 15, which was cheaper one. And we also could not select this. Why? Because it makes a cycle here if we want to choose this. So we just go here from F to D with value of 25, and with value of 21 we go to E. So our choice would be between 19, 25, 21. So I choose the D with value of 19. If I want to show it on the graph, it would be something like this. We open this one, then this one. So the next one would be this. I open this. Okay. Let's see what, oh, I forget to show the what is the next, or in fact I should draw it with the red color to show that in the 7th level which note has been chosen. Okay, now let's see what happened. We have visited list here, we visited A, then we open the B with value 4. I open the B, write it correctly. Okay, then we open the edge with value of 8. Then we open the G with value 9. Then open the F with value 11. Then we open the C with value 12. And then we open the I with value 14. And then we open the D with value of 19 here. Okay, we open this. So I just choose this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let me see what we have. We could not choose this, as I told before, because it can't make a cycle. So we have, also we could not choose this because if we choose this edge, it again causes to make a cycle. So we just have here the value 21 to E, and 9 plus 19, 27 to E. Which one is lower? Of course, the path between F and E. So I choose this one. This one as our next. So our final graph would be something like this. We choose A. Sorry, I'll write it with black. I choose A, B, H, then G, then F, then C, then I, then I choose D, and from here I choose E. If you see the sequence that we visit was something like this. We choose A, E, H, G, F, C, F, C, I, D, and then E. And if you see we visit all the nodes here without making any cycle, this is the Dijkstra, in fact, algorithm. And if I want to show it on the graph, it is like this. We open this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So as you can see, we visit all the nodes without making any cycle, which is the solution of Dijkstra algorithm. Thank you for your pay attention.